To install and set up the Attorna Law, Lawyer and Attorney WordPress theme. Follow this step-by-step guide. 1. Download the theme if you purchased it from ThemeForest and Auto. Go to your ThemeForest downloads page. Click Download greater than all files and documentation for the Attorna theme. 2. Install the theme via WordPress Dashboard. Go to your WordPress Admin Panel. Appearance greater than themes greater than add new greater than upload. Theme upload the file named attorna.zip, not the full package zip. Click Install now, then activate the theme. B. Via FTP optional. Unzip the attorna.zip file. Upload the Attorna folder to WP content, tems. Go to Appearance greater than themes, and activate the Attorna theme. 3. Install required plugins after activation. WordPress will prompt you to install and activate required recommended plugins. GoodLayers Core Revolution Slider WPBakery Page Builder, or Elementor depending on your package contact Form 7, etc. Go to Appearance greater than Install plugins. Select All. Install and then activate.